Okay, so I was having an issue and there's nothing on YouTube about it, so I didn't realize that this was going to happen. So let me show you what's going on, or was going on. We have a well, so that's what all that gunk is in there. Some sand gets in there. I fixed it with a filter, but this piece here, when it is out and you flush, sorry, I don't mean to twist and turn here. So you'll notice the bowl doesn't fill up with water. And when it doesn't fill up with water, sometimes like bubbles will come up. And that's because this kept falling out. If you look here, compared to the old one, I'll show you the old one. It was busted, and then the gasket was down in there, so I had to fish it out. So, to fix this, you're going to replace this. This is going to pull out the bottom as soon as you turn it. So you're going to turn. Alright. It's going to flush, and then it's going to fill. When you pull this out the bottom, I don't want to make a mess. That's going to come out like that. And you're going to take a new one. So since I've already fixed this, you're just going to take it, run it through the bottom. Sorry, we got the hard water here. You're going to line it up again. So you can tell that you can do this when it's live, although everyone recommends that you don't. So then you replace this, you just pull it off the tube. This comes off really easy. And you're going to want it to fill the center. You're going to line this up and turn it, make sure it doesn't pull up, and now it's secure. Now it'll actually fill the bowl back up, and you won't get those bubbles of poo water that splash up here when you're done going to the bathroom. Poo, pee, you don't want it. So, and that is how you fix that. There's other issues with this gasket, and over time this gasket will erode. You'll have to fix that. It just runs constantly, but that's how you fix it. Hopefully that's helpful. We're also trying out this crazy clean here because we have hard water, and we're going to let you know how it pans out.